Okay, 74 degrees, we're headed southwest on Memorial Drive. Sunday the 27th of September, the very first Sunday of autumn. Doug McCurdy Chevrolet was here on the right, Stone Mountain Ford on the left. That motel there to the left, that Scottish Inn, used to be Memorial Motel. Jimmy Venable owned it. Used to be Confederate flags on both sides of the road going down past it. So he was a pretty notorious Klan leader. And I said, we're going right down Memorial Drive, coming up on Harrison, the North Harrison to our right, South Harrison to our left. North Harrison will take you over, and this is Georgia 140. This will take you over to Jimmy Carter, all the way out through Alpharetta, Roswell, all the way up through Canton, Waleska, all the way over the dead ends into US 27, and to the left it takes you over to Evans Mill, crossing Redan, Covington Highway, Rockbridge. DeKalb Sheriff over there. I don't think that's the DeKalb Police Department. Are we recording or not? Yes, we are. The Rio Vista would flood when the creek got up. Heavy rain. Right there on the right at the bottom of the hill, I think, where that road cuts through there now, or either right there in that parking lot right there. Manuel's Tavern's up here on the left too, or was. It was way after Jack's. But Jack's was right here on the left. Right here where that Haven Motel is now, I think. Pretty sure it's right there. Of course, DeKalb College, DeKalb Tech to the right. Rockbridge Road right here at this intersection. Rockbridge Road. It'll bear off to the left, and North Decatur takes over and goes all the way past Decatur, Suburban Plaza. Goes down to Claremont, there where the Zestos used to be, on into Emory, on down across Briarcliff. And I said to the left is Rockbridge, takes you down into Pine Lake, right on down through Stone Mountain, but not Stone Mountain City, just to the south of that. Lithonia Stone Mountain Road would be to the right and take you down to Redan and that area. Keep going straight on Rockbridge, it'll take you all the way down and dead into Highway 124, right close to the Promised Land. Old DeKalb County Jail there to the left, that white building, and then the newer DeKalb County Jail. That dark brick building. Back there on the right where that auto parts is, used to be an A&P. When I was working at Belvedere, there was a checker there. They had a hold up, and she pushed the gun away from the robber's face, or from her face, and he pulled the gun back up and shot her in the face. Okay, we're going to turn it off and then get a little further down up around the... These videos are going to be so long, I'm going to have to break them into segments. Coming up on 285. To the right takes you across the top end. To the left will bring you down around the east side, down to 75. I'll say the right takes you over Spaghetti Junction and over to 75 all the way over that way. Here to the right was Treasure Island. And then if you turned up here, it says Junction, Georgia 154 and 10, West 10, takes you right through Avondale, right on down through Decatur. This way we're going to go right past Belvedere, Columbia Mall, the old Columbia Mall. Across Covington Highway up here. People that hadn't been around in a long time, this will be interesting for you. I think what we're going to do is create a playlist of 3 or 4 videos and post the playlist in the groups and also on my Facebook page. I'll create a separate playlist, I think. Okay, we're crossing Covington Highway, US 278, Georgia 12. To the right takes you all the way down, I said, to Covington, through Lithonia. To the right takes you through Avondale and Decatur. Now I've got a video coming from the other way, from Candler Road, and all the way out to Stone Mountain. Crawley Cemetery up here in the parking lot. I'm not going to swing through today because I've got a video of it from the Candler Road to Stone Mountain, or Candler Road to Avondale, Oil Drive and Avondale. I've got a good video of it on a different video. I'm going to turn the camera off and then turn it back on. Construction and renovation been done here the last 15 years. Tulip vines blooming. I thought all of them had already bloomed out. So you can cut through right here, East Lake Park, and go over to East Lake Country Club, Golf Club. Okay, decision time. Left or right at 2nd Avenue. I tell you what. No, that's East Lake. Okay, well we're going to go up to 2nd Avenue. I think I may have misspoke about where we were at the other day. When we were on East Lake, I called it 2nd Avenue.